My dear viewers, now discuss matter and its composition based on ICSE class 7. At first, discuss the concept of the matter. Okay. Now, anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Okay. Matter exists in three different states, that is solid, liquid and gases. Okay. Solid have a definite shape and volume. The molecules of a solid are close packed. Okay. Liquid do not have a definite shape but have a definite volume. The molecule of liquid are loosely packed, but gases, that is, a gas is a state of matter which has only definite mass, okay, but no defined shape and volume. It take up the shape of container, example carbon dioxide, oxygen, etc. Now discuss the change of matter, that is the phase change of matter. Now solid, three state of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Solid to liquid change the process melting. However, liquid to solid change this process fizzing. Okay. Liquid to gas change this process evaporation. Okay. Vibration gas to change liquid this process named condensation. Okay. Again, difference difference process gases to solid. Okay. This process deposition, no intermediate state, that is intermediate state liquid. This similar way, solid to change to gas, no intermediate state. This is the process named sublimation. Okay, clear? It is the very conceptual part. Okay. Now the question on the based on matter and its composition. Okay, that is ICSE class 7. Choose the correct answer for each of the following. Okay, which of the following has a definite volume but not a definite shape? CR, apple, oil, soft. Oil. Oil have a definite volume but a definite shape. Okay. Next question. Gas occupy all the available space because their molecules are strong, weak, loosely packed, tightly packed. Loosely packed. Okay, gas occupy all the available space because their molecules are loosely packed. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is the smallest particle that make up a matter? Option: atom, molecule, compound, mixture. That is smallest particle of the matter, that is atom. Okay. Next question. Which of the following has a fixed shape? Option: chair, steam, mango slag, oxygen gas. Chair. Chair has a fixed shape. Okay. Next question. Which of the following cannot be compressed? Option: stone, water, air, steam. That is option 1. Stone is the right answer. That is stone cannot compress. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Two or more atoms combine to form a molecule. Okay, that is answer molecule. Next question, question number 2. Dash is a pure substance that consists of only one kind of atom. That is answer element. Element is a pure substance that consists of only one kind of atom. Okay. Next question, question number 3. Neither have a definite shape nor a definite volume. Answer gases. That is, gases neither have a definite shape nor a definite volume. Next question, the interparticle distance is minimum solid but maximum gases. That is, this ensure the interparticle distance is minimum solid. Okay. Next question, diffusion is maximum in gases but minimum in solid. This ensure diffusion is maximum in gases. Okay. Next question type, T for true, F for false. Air has mass and occupies safe. Okay, this statement true. Next question, question number 2. Intermolecular space same in all compound. This statement false. Okay. Next question, question number 3. Rainwater is an example of a compound. This statement true. Next question, question number 4. Only things that can be seen are termed as matter. This statement false. Okay. Next question, question number 5. Liquid have fixed shape but not a fixed volume. This statement is true. Next question pattern, define the following term, that is molecule, intermolecular force, liquid, atom, intermolecular distance. At first, discuss molecule. Define the following terms: molecule, intermolecular force, liquid, atom, intermolecular distance. Okay. At first, discuss molecule. Okay. Molecule, when two or more atoms combine, they form a molecule. Molecules are made of atoms of either the same kind or different kinds. Example, different kinds of atom, that is water molecule containing both hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Okay. Next define term, intermolecular force. Okay. Molecules in a substance are held together by a force called intermolecular force. Next define term, liquid. A substance that has a defined volume but no fixed defined shape. Okay, it's called liquid. Example, water is a liquid. Okay. Next define term, atom. The smallest particles that make a substance or matter is called an atom. For example, hydrogen atom. Next define term, intermolecular distance. The distance between the molecules of a substance is called intermolecular distance. Okay. Next question type, differentiate between following the terms, that is number 1 atom and molecule, number 2 element and compound, number 3 solid and gas, number 4 intermolecular force, and intermolecular distance. Number 5, liquid and gas. Okay, now discuss number 1, that is atom and molecule. Okay, the smallest particle that makes of a substance or matter is called an atom. Okay, for example, hydrogen molecule. When two or more atoms combine, they formed a molecule. Okay, molecule are made up of atoms of either the same kind or different kinds of atom. That is, example, water molecule containing both hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Okay, next difference type, element and compound. Okay, elements are substances that are pure in their nature. Okay, and are composed of a single atom. Okay, but compound are also pure substance that are composed of element in definite property. Okay, next point, that is number 2 point, that is B. Till now 118 elements have been discovered, out of which 94 elements are naturally occurring on earth. Indefinite number of compounds can be formed. There is no absolute number, that is no fixed number. Okay, next point, elements can be categories as metals, metalloids, and non-metal, but compounds are divided into three categories: metallic, ionic, and molecular. Okay, next point, element are the single atom. Okay, hence they cannot be broken down, but compounds can be broken down using the chemical reaction, not physical reaction. Okay, next point, point number E. Elements are represented using the numbers and symbol. Example, hydrogen, oxygen, copper, boron, etc. But compounds are represented using the chemical formulas. Example, water, H2O, ammonia, NH3, sodium chloride, NaCl. Okay, next difference type, solid and gas. Okay, solid have definite shape and definite volume, but gases have neither definite shape nor volume. Second point, solid cannot flow, but gas flow in all direction. Next point, arrangement of molecules of solid are tightly packed, but arrangement of molecules of gases are very loosely packed. Next difference between intermolecular force and intermolecular distance. Intermolecular force, molecules in a substance are held together by a force called intermolecular force. Okay, but the intermolecular distance, the distance between the molecule of a substance, is called intermolecular distance. Okay, next difference type, liquid and gas. Liquid, that is liquid, do not have definite shape but have a definite volume. Molecules of liquid are closely packed. Example, water, H2, Oh, okay. Gas. Gas is a state of matter which has only definite mass but no definite shape and volume. It takes up the shape of the container. Example, carbon dioxide, oxygen is the example of gas. Now, give the reason for the following question. At first, discuss solid or hard and rigid. Next, liquid take the shape of the container. Molecule in a gas can move around freely in any direction. Next, when water is poured into a glass filled with water to the beam, it spilled. Next, ink spit faster in warm water than in the cold water. Now discuss the resin type question. At first, solid are hard and rigid. Okay. At first discuss solid are hard or rigid. Solid have a definite volume. Solid have a definite volume. Okay. And safe. They are rigid and lack the ability to flow. Lack lack the ability, okay, to flow. This is because the molecule in the solid are very closely packed. Therefore, the intermolecular force among them will be much higher liquid to than the liquid and gas. Okay, liquid take the shape of the container. Okay, the force between liquid particles are weaker than the force between solid particles. Okay, this means that liquid particles are further apart and can move about more easily. Okay, since the particles can move, the liquid can flow and take the shape its container. Okay, next region type question. Particles in a gas can move around freely in any direction. Okay, number 1 point for this question. Particles of a gas are constantly moving in all the direction with different speed. Therefore, they do not have a fixed volume and hence completely fill the vessel in which they are kept. Okay. Next point for this question. The molecules of a gas are free to move randomly in all direction. Okay. Next reason type question. When water is poured into a glass filled with water to the beam, it's white. Okay, this reason is because of surface tension. Okay, surface tension. Okay, gravity. Gravity is pulling on to more, that is many of molecule. Okay, for their attraction to keep them up, and the water spill down the side of the glasses. Clear? Any query, please comment in box. Please. Next, define types, that is the reason type question. Ink sweat faster in warm water than in cold water. Okay. Temperature of substance is related to how fast the molecule can diffuse. diffuse. Okay, when the temperature increases, the kinetic energy, that is speed of the particle, that is kinetic energy of the molecules also increases. Temperature increases, kinetic energy increases. Therefore, the hot water, the molecule diffuse faster than they are in cold water. So the picture, this is the cold water and hot water. Cold water slowly diffuse, but ink very fast diffuse in hot water. Okay, clear? Next question, what is matter? List it property. Okay, at first, matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, any characteristics that can be measured, such as an object's density, color, mass, volume, length, malleability, melting point, hardness, or temperature, and more, are the considered property of the matter. Okay. Next question. What is matter composed of? Okay. That is, matter is made of atoms and molecules which are then subdivided into protons, neutrons, and electron. Okay, proton is positive charge, neutron negative, not positive, that is neutral charge, electron negative charge. Okay, next question, that is, what is the relationship between intermolecular distance and intermolecular force? Okay, intermolecular force, before the discuss similar types answer, that is, molecules in a substance are held together by a force called intermolecular force. Okay, intermolecular distance, the distance between the molecules of a substance is called intermolecular distance. Next, define diffusion. Okay, now diffusion is the movement of a substance from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. Okay, diffusion occurs in liquids and gases when their properties collide randomly and spread out. Okay, example, perfume of a flower. Okay, that quickly permeates the still air of a room. Okay, that is the perfume spread in the air. This is the applicable of the diffusion. Okay, next question, what are the characteristics of matter in the solid state? Okay, number 1 point, definite mass, volume, and shape. Next point, short intermolecular distance, that is close packed. Next point, strong intermolecular force. Okay. Next point, the constituent particles remain fixed at their position and can only oscillate about their means position. Okay. Next point, solid are incompressible and rigid. Okay. And next point, highly density. Solid are highly density. Next question, that is, write down any four property of liquid. That is the characteristics of liquid. Number 1 point, Liquid have a fixed volume but no fixed shape. Liquid can be compressed. Okay. Large pressure is required to compress them. Liquid have lesser densities than solid. Okay. Next point. Intermolecular forces of attraction is weaker than solid. Okay. Next question. What are the characteristics of matter in the gaseous state? That is the property of gaseous state. Number 1 point. Molecule of gases are very loosely packed. Gases neither have a definite shape nor a definite volume. Gas diffuse rapidly. Okay. Gas can be in compressed to a high extended. Okay. Next question. Explain with the help of an activity that matter occupies the space. Okay. Take a glass of water and mix some sugar in it. Wait for some time. Now you will see that the sugar is dissolved. Okay. Practically, that is the particles of a water has placed into them, and this is why particles of sugar got dissolved in it. Okay, that is sugar dissolved in water. Okay, sugar is the one type of solid, a liquid that is the water. Okay, next question. Explain the arrangement of molecules in solid, liquids, and gases. Okay, that is, gas are well separated with no regular arrangement. Okay, liquid are close together with no regular arrangement, but solid are tightly packed regular, that is usually in a regular pattern. Now, there are 118 elements in nature, but you can find more compounds than elements. Why? There are only 118 elements known yet, but number of compounds is increases. Okay, you can imagine well that if any one element react with other elements, then more than 50 compound can be formed. Okay, please, my dear viewers, any query, any question, please comment in box. Thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you.